sun skytti ja Vesijärven terassi. Vesijärvenkatu 22 in Ruoriniemi, Lahti. Staircase A. It's the oldest Gen2 in Finland.
What is wrong with the floor number?
Then 2001. 2001 Bionni 3088. Bad condition.
Yep. Eight persons rushing hatchet programs.
That is over 100 years older than second tallest Gen2 or third tallest, because this has two elevators in Ruoriniemenkatu, Jyväskylä, and tietotallin inventory is about 200 serials later.
Okay.
But it was the first just one Gen2 that we found. Inspected by inspectant meeting by Otis nowadays scrapped this.
It shows a bit when it goes past the floor.
Yeah. That's it.
That's